unfortunately, sometimes the diagnosis itself doesn't lend itself to the treatment that's necessary. What I mean by that is that they say it's a concussion. And in the past, the understanding would be, well, a concussion can resolve itself in 3 to 4 weeks. I tell you today that that is a tremendous misnomer. Brain trauma injuries are permanent. And they're really the invisible injury because there's nothing physically you see. In most cases, if there's a head injury for safety reasons, the treating institution, whether it be the family physician or usually it's the hospital itself, will have that individual undergo a CAT scan. The CAT scan will usually show a brain bleed. I'd say in 90% plus of cases, you won't see a brain bleed on a CAT scan. But that's not indicative that someone didn't sustain a brain trauma injury. As I said, there's other symptoms or some indicators that a brain trauma injury did occur. When you analyze that injury, you really have to go to collateral sources. What I mean is that you got to go to the people that knew that individual before that motor vehicle accident. Because with that type of injury, the person who was before the accident is not the same individual if they sustained a brain trauma injury after the accident. They may suffer even cognitive deficits where they can't remember certain things, or they could have vertigo, change of personality. Well, you have to have that documented in order to be able to present their case. So you have to go to, as I said, people that spend enough time with them. People like maybe a spouse, children, close friends, fellow employees. And then it's almost a puzzle that you're putting these pieces together of the personality who is today.